Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Tommylee Sprata. And as you guys know, Tommylee just beat scamming lottery charges. He is a free man, cleared from all those charges, but he has something bigger and better up his sleeve, okay? A big lawsuit. Let's get into this article. And it says, Tommylee Sprata legal team is gearing up to sue the government in order to recover money they said the entertainer lost as a result of him being arrested and charged with lottery scamming. It is our intention to file action against the Attorney General's Department with regarding to numerous retainers given to him, which he had to return because when the police got information that he was billed for a particular show, his name had to be scratched, defense attorney Ernest Smith said. Tommylee Sprata, whose given name is Leroy Russell, and his co-accused, Brian Smith, were found not guilty of lottery scamming charges in the Home Circuit Court last Thursday. The men were charged in February of 2014 on suspicions of breaches of the Law Reform, Fraudulent Transactions, Special Provisions Act. Trial Judge Carlin Ty upheld a no-case submission made by Smith, bringing an end to the 4.5-year ordeal. My daughters Nesta Claire and Marsha Smith, attorneys at law, are doing the necessary research to file such an action, Ernest Smith said, who last year indicated that the lawsuit would be in the region of $20 million. He has been prevented on several occasions by certain police officers from engaging in his profession of entertainment. He has had to be pulled from several shows because police officers have threatened the organizers and promoters to cancel their licenses if Tommylee is on the show, Ernest Smith said. And I feel like it's about time entertainers take legal action when they do stuff like this. You're preventing a man from feeding his children and his family on bogus charges just because you do not like their line of work. And some may say this is going to make Tommylee an even bigger target for the government and the JCF, but you either stand for something or you fall for anything. And I feel like they're at the point now where they're turning entertainers, where they're putting entertainers as targets. They're targeting the entertainers because of their line of work, and they don't like what they sing about or they DJ about, and they're targeting them. And when you talk, they can't make money and they can't feed their family or their children. So it's only fair that Tommylee sues the government for all the money. It's only fair that Tommylee sues the government for all the money that he has lost over the 4.5-year ordeal that he has gone through, where people have been claiming he is a lottery scammer and he's scamming people, tarnishing his name and his brand, okay, and preventing him from working. So $20 million is what they're going to be suing for. I hope they sue for more, and I hope they win every single penny. It's about time one of these artists actually stood up for themselves and for their characters and their careers. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
And preach them over they go beat and teach. Them a drive by and all know them can't reach one. Back up your grandmother clutch. Them a put it on the street and me see. So over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.